guys. It's been raining so much recently. This is 3 days, I guess. That wasn't too much. And the guys, give us a third shot because the others with the second one, they just picked like. This is the third time with the flood. Guys, in here, this is the Philippines, and there's been typhoons. And it's gonna be cold until August. That happens every year. Look! See this flood? It's very cold. I wonder if that kind of color could be our skin. So yeah, there's too much water. Oh, what the heck happened? And I just woke up, it looked like this. Well, today is 3:44 p.m. And I mean everywhere. It's raining everywhere. It's very funny. And do not tell me that I am very famous because of I kept falling in typhoons. The water there. There was some leaking. Yeah. It's so flooded that we just can't keep walk. So I'm sorry I didn't play for a while because I was at school and I guess April is my summer break, so I guess I'll see you later. But we can have a review of this until this video. It's so flooded there.